In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce notification overload in Goodday. If you feel like you're constantly being interrupted by pings and emails from Goodday, you're not alone. The good news is that you can quickly adjust your settings so you only get the notifications that actually matter to you. I'll walk you through it step by step and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, open Goodday in your browser or desktop app. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a photo, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your personal account and preferences. From this menu, choose the option called Account Settings. This is where Goodday keeps everything related to your personal profile, security, and most importantly for us, notifications. Click Account Settings to open that page in a new view. Once you're in your account settings, look for the section labeled Notifications. This is usually listed in the sidebar or as one of the tabs at the top. Click on Notifications to access all the different types of alerts Goodday can send you. This page is essentially your control center for reducing overload. Here you'll see several categories of notifications such as email notifications, in-app notifications, and possibly mobile or desktop alerts, depending on how your workspace is set up. To really cut down on the noise, start with email since those tend to pile up the fastest. Click on Email Notifications. On this screen, you'll see a list of specific events that can trigger an email, like task assignments, status changes, comments, or daily summaries. Take a moment to read through each option and think about whether you truly need an email for that action. For items that are not critical, you can turn them off or reduce their frequency. Leave on only the ones that help you stay on top of important work, such as being assigned a new task or when someone mentions you directly. After you've adjusted your email notifications, you can apply the same logic to any other notification types available on that page, choosing only what is essential. When you're done, your Goodday account will be much quieter and more focused, helping you stay productive without constant interruptions.